What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Average Joe. And we are everyday people and we are talking crypto. Shout out to all my new subscribers. You guys are liking, you guys are commenting. So I really appreciate that. I'm so excited. I can hardly get my words out. I broke out it's old equipment. I've had it before, but it's new again because I'm using it. It's a rainy day in the Carolinas. I think it's around 60 something degrees. I've been to the gym and now we're going to do some crypto videos. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own due diligence and find out what these projects are. I did get into crypto in January. That's when I first dived in, and I started out with the top 10 cryptocurrencies, and then I moved down from there. And today we are going to talk Shiba, because I was able to pick up almost 21 million of those at $320, and it has already 1x. The bag is now like 600. It's been as high as like 750. So I'm excited about that. And where I think that Shiba can go, this is all speculation. These are meme coins. These are coins that you can lose it all in. I was prepared to lose the whole 300. That's the reason why I'm not worried about it. I'm setting it and forgetting it. But we have to talk about some of these new meme coins because there is some excitement and there's a fervor around them that I think they're worthy to be talked about, with some of all of the people that are in the large companies that are getting into the space, these new exchanges, and the current exchanges are now accepting meme coins like Shiba, like Akita, and so many more. We all thought that SafeMoon would probably get on Binance, but it was Shiba. But we're going to take a look at all of that. But first, I would like to take a look at the overall markets and what brought us here. Number one is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is currently sitting at $55,000. And we all know that where Bitcoin goes, that's where all the other cryptocurrencies go. So we're waiting on Bitcoin to take off. And I think that the overall health of Bitcoin is really good because it had some very parabolic runs in the beginning of the year and the end of last year. And I think that it's healthy when it consolidates. And I think that with so many other guys on YouTube and so many other professionals that are talking about all these cryptocurrencies, they will tell you the same things, that these cryptocurrencies, it's good for them to go sideways a little bit, shake out some of the weak hands, and also to consolidate. And as they become more of a store of value, the value constantly goes up. But we also have Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting at $4,199 at the time of this recording. We all know that Ethereum has been as high as $4,300. And I think that Ethereum, that one day it will flip Bitcoin. It is number 2 right now behind Bitcoin, and I think that it's doing great. BNB, with all of its help, solving all the gas fees, it's doing great. It's sitting at number 3. This is digital coin market price. This is one of the tools that I use. It is currently sitting at $646.35. And what started all the meme coins, Dogecoin, is sitting at number 4 at 46 cents. It looked like it's going to trade sideways for a while, which is not bad for Doge because it is becoming more and more a store of value for people. People believe in Doge. I even got a little bit of Doge. Hey, listen, what do you want me to do? After I locked up my ADA, my Polkadot, my Chainlink, I don't have any Ethereum, but I have some Ethereum Classic, and I'm going to talk about that also. Another coin, but they say that has no use, but I do see it as a store of value because of all of the different companies that are coming on board with Ethereum Classic for payment, and there's just so many great things going on in the crypto space. But I did lock up some of that, and I do have a decent amount of Litecoin, which I think is a great store of value. So I started with some good spots, right? But moving on, Dogecoin is doing well. Dogecoin is a store of value, and Dogecoin is going to shock you again. Don't get rid of your Doge. Cardano is currently sitting at $1.70. It is one of my beginning projects that I'm so glad that I got in. People say it doesn't move much, it moves like a stable coin, but I am happy about that because I know where Cardano is going to be when I look up. All right, and that's what you want to do. XRP, to the XRP army. I don't have any XRP, and shout out to the XRP army in the lawsuit, but it's sitting at $1.40. If they can ever get out of that box thing in, then that's definitely going to break out. Polkadot is sitting at $39.86. It is one of my investments. That is, matter of fact, the first investment that I got in Polkadot. It is doing well. Gavin Wood and his team, they're doing well. So many smart contracts and things are going to be coming off of that in the summer of this year, so we're excited about that. And there's another project that has cracked the top 10, and it is ICP Internet Computer. It is currently at $290.23. It is one of the new up-and-coming projects that came out of nowhere to crack the top 10. There's so many different projects that are getting bullish, and they're coming, and they're just popping up in the top 10, the top 20, they're coming out of nowhere. So we're going to talk a little bit about that one too. That is on my list. Litecoin is sitting at $358.55. Chainlink, one of my projects that I'm currently investing in pretty heavily, it is at $46.32, and I know for a fact that I've seen it at 52 because I set my alarm, my alert on my phone. Next thing you know, it started ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. So that is doing really, really good. I think with the oracles that are Chainlink, and it is an ETH token, I think with all of the pay systems that are coming up, I think that Chainlink is going to melt faces. Chainlink is going to do great. Ethereum Classic is currently sitting at $103.56. And, you know, we all know that Ethereum, when I looked at it, when I first seen it, it was $15, and it just went on a parabolic run. So that is the reason why I invested in Ethereum Classic. I was able to get a little bit, just 10 of them at $64, and I rolled it up, and believe it or not, sold half, and I still have a little bit. So I'm going to stay right there with that and just ride it up. I wanted to get my initial investment back out of it, and I did. And we want to go back, we want to go down here also to Sia Coin. Sia Coin is one, Sia Coin. Well, Decentraland was one of the first coins I ventured to outside of the top 20. So I still have my Decentraland, is doing good. But Sia Coin, you know, it's ironic. It's fallen to 81 when it was 65. It was in the 60s when I first got it. But here in America, and I know that my current Americans will know that we just had a gas shortage due to some I guess some nefarious activity or whatever. I didn't read the whole story, but I know we had a gas shortage, and I think they said something was hacking. I was not even worried about that. But make a long story short, because I had some other things going on. But make a long story short, I think that the utility that Sia Coin provides with its security, with keeping encryption of sensitive data, files, and, you know, all that right there, I think that Sia Coin will solve the problem for all of the places that have been hacked, that have been held for ransom, held hostage. So, you know, I still have my 13,000 Sia Coin, and I'm not going anywhere with them. It's already got 3 cents, and I see big things for Sia in the future. Okay, so let's move on a little bit, right? And I want to talk about this story right here, right quick. I want to move before I get to my Shiba story, right? Quickly, Internet Computer is already one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the market cap of $45 billion in just 2 days. And the reason why I quickly brought that story up, there are companies, and we see that are projects that are coming out of nowhere, man. I mean, they are just launching in the top 10. And I think that it is great for the overall cryptocurrency space. Internet Computer is a cryptocurrency. Internet Computer, a cryptocurrency launched Monday by blockchain nonprofit Definity, is already the 8th largest digital asset with a market capitalization of $45 billion. The project, developed by founder Dominic Williams, is a result of a five-year research. The token promotes claim is to it can provide a core basis for new decentralized internet. The first day of trading saw its prices swing wildly as it hit an intraday of 700 before declining to around 250. It is currently trading around 340. So guys, this right here is a brand new project that we can buy, but they've been doing their thing. They've been working behind the scenes for 5 years, but that just goes to show you that the technology that the cryptocurrency is currently riding on, the internet, it is currently ready, primed and ready for a lot of these new projects. But I wouldn't currently get into some of these projects until they stabilize as far as some of the prices. Okay? And there's another story I want to bring up right quick first. And this is from the Financial Times. Billionaire Peter Thiel, Alan Howard, and the new $10 billion crypto exchange. The venture, Bullish Global, is betting on decentralized finance disrupting traditional markets. Billionaire Peter Thiel, Louis Bacon, Alan Howard are among the backers of a new cryptocurrency asset exchange that will bet heavily on decentralized finance, radically reshaping trading and investment in digital asset. The venture, run by the blockchain software company Block.one, will be called Bullish Global and has been capitalized with more than $10 billion in cash and digital assets ahead of its launch later this year. Guys, it is about to go down. Here is another exchange about to launch. If you don't think that this crypto space and this crypto sphere is here to stay, then you are sadly mistaken. So shout out to everyone that's in the crypto game early, because you are light years ahead of the people that are coming to the space. Think about you guys that already know how to use Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and you already can find different coins. Congratulations, shout out to you guys. But I want to wrap up this story, and I want to wrap it up with what you came here for, and that is Shiba Coin. And why I know for at least I feel this is not financial advice, okay? I feel that Shiba Coin, and I'm not just trying to bring sentiment, there's a lot of technical analysis that have already been done on Shiba Coin, okay, that you can find. So this is partly my sentiment with me doing a little bit of homework, right? All right, so decentralized meme tokens that grew into a vibrant ecosystem. Shiba Swap, fund tokens, artist incubators, growing 300 plus communities, and more to the horizon. Guys, you got to understand that it's going to take a lot of different things to bring more eyes to the crypto space. I think that it's like a puzzle. So you just can't all have financial coins. You just can't all have art coins or these NFTs. You got to have so many different projects that interest different people. You understand? So I think that even though some of these coins have no utility, I think that what the utility, in my opinion, of this is, let's go down to the story right here. This is what I think the meat of it is, if you ask me. And I think we all know where I'm going with this right here, and that is Vitalik Buterin has been gifted over half of the supply of the Shiba coin. I think right now it is a total of $8 billion in his wallet, and that is amazing. Vitalik Buterin, 27, already became a billionaire a couple weeks ago. Shout out to Vitalik Buterin with Ethereum. So I don't see him selling the coins, because if he was to snatch the rug from all of the Shiba bag holders, right? To me, that would lessen his credibility. And that is the one reason why I do not think that Shiba coin, the bag, the rug will be pulled up under us, abruptly and unfairly. But we understand that this is business. I understand that. I was prepared to lose the whole $300. But with the co-founders locking up 50%, that can't be spilled into the market, and then you got Vitalik Buterin already a billionaire, that has already got his hands filled with Ethereum and trying to improve that, to me, he has no incentive to just snatch the rug from under you with Shiba Coin. And with all the eyes coming to the space, you already got the SEC looking at cryptocurrencies. We do not need anything like that. So I think that he's already a smart guy because he's a billionaire at 27. So he knows better. It will not help the space. If anything, it will harm the space tremendously. So that is the reason why I think that if you have any Shiba coins, I would be holding on to them. I definitely see 1 cent definitely coming by the sheer number of supply. We all know there's supposed to be the Doge killer, and by the sheer number of supply out there, and with all the exchanges accepting these coins. This is already on crypto.com. That's where I got mine, nearly 21 million on Saturday, and now it's on Binance. It's also on Bitrue. You know, it's so many different places that already have Shiba. So the three dog race, Shiba, Akita, and Dogecoin, it is on. You know what I mean? And then you have what, Kishu, you have so many different coins. You have the Elongate. So the meme tokens are very, very important. They're bringing a lot of young people to the space. You know, so you wouldn't want to be spending Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin for a soda or a cheeseburger anyway. So let's make room and give space to some of these meme coins. I think that they're well needed because the store value that they will become will be so much more accessible and usable in a retail way for you and I. This is my video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, you hit the notification, make sure that you like and comment, and I will be back again. Crypto Army, we out.